all about Isle Royal moose, reading B. More than any other member of the deer family, moose spend time in the water. The moose's association with water is so distinctive that the moose may appropriately be considered the hippopotamus of the North Country. Moose are well suited for spending time in water. Long, strong legs allow moose to walk easily in shallow waters and swim in deeper waters. Moose also have large, complex noses. A moose nose consists of massive cartilage, specialized muscles, folded and recessed skin, and fatty pads. These features may represent a complex nostril closing system that allow moose to forage underwater without breathing in any water. Aquatic environments offer much to moose. Water brings coolness. In the water, moose reduce their respiration rate by almost 30% and their overall energy expenditure by about 10%. Water also brings nutrition. Of all the food that moose consume, aquatic plants are the richest in protein and sodium. Water also brings safety. Even a weak, vulnerable moose is considerably safer from an attacking wolf when standing in just a few feet of water. For moose, winter is full of suffering and triumph over that suffering. It is not the cold. Moose are hardly bothered by it. It is the difficulty of getting food. During winter, moose mostly eat twigs from deciduous trees and shrubs and the twigs and needles of balsam fir and cedar. Each bite of food is a mere gram, just 1/28 of an ounce. Moreover, twigs and needles contain only 1/3 the nutrition of leaves that moose eat during the summer. The fare is not only meager, but also difficult to gather. The snow is deep. Moving from tree to tree is difficult and energy-consuming. Imagine yourself walking through a chest or knee-deep snow from tree to tree, collecting about 9,000 twigs, one twig at a time, every day. This is how moose, an 800 to 1,000 pound creature, survive the winter. When snow is deep and food's sparse, moose restrict their intake of food because the amount of energy it takes to get the food is greater than the amount of energy the food provides. Moose pass much of the winter resting and ruminating in solitude and hunger. Ultimately, moose lose weight every single day for about 5 months of every year. Nevertheless, most moose live to see the spring that follows each winter.